Good morning, Andy here from GDMFX, Senior Account Executive. We start with the North American markets. We had the Chicago Fed National Activity Index, 0.7 less than previous, at negative 0.29. The US dollar steadily strengthened against its main rivals during Monday's session, after two regional Fed presidents said they would support the Federal Reserve raising interest rates at its April meeting. Dow Jones sideways, Nasdaq sideways, Dixie up to 95.27 from 95.15, USD CAD 45 pips up, USD Swiss franc is going sideways, USD JPY 75 pips up. And today we will have housing price index month on month and Markit Manufacturing PMI for March. We move to the EU markets. We did not have any events from the European zone yesterday. Today on focus is the German IFO business climate for March and the IFO current assessment for March, the German market services PMI, also the German market manufacturing PMI, and the ZEU survey current situation in Germany, also the EU zone market services PMI preliminary for March, market PMI composite, and also the market manufacturing PMI for March. This is preliminary data as well. Euro USD slipped 0.18% to 1.1249. The euro came under pressure after European Central Bank chief economist Mr. Peter Praet said on Friday that the Eurozone interest rates could go even lower. We move to the UK markets. We had Rightmove house price index month on month 1.2%, Rightmove house price index year on year 7.6%. The pound dropped from a month's high versus the dollar. The FTSE 100 gained 14 points yesterday. GBP US dollar 105 pips down. GBP Aussie 80 pips down, GBP Loonie 55 pips down, GBP Kiwi 110 pips down, GBP Swiss franc 80 pips down. And today we will have the CPI year on year, also the core CPI year on year, public sector new borrowing, PPI output month on month, PPI output year on year, PPI core output month on month and year on year, also the PPI input month on month and year on year, and the CPI month on month. Asian and Pacific markets. We go to Asia. We had the Japanese all industry activity month on month 2% worse than previous. Japanese equities rallied, supported by a retreat in the yen. Nikkei 88 pips up on Monday. USD yen 70 pips up, Swiss franc yen 60 pips up, Kiwi yen 34 pips up. No events today from Asia. We move to Pacific. We had the house price index quarter on quarter this morning, 0.2% better than expected. House price index year on year 2% worse than previous for Australia, and the Royal Bank of Australia Governor Glenn Stevens' speech at the moment. We move to commodities. The S&P 500 index had a range of 13 points at 2,034 at the moment. Gold had a range of $16 up to 1,255 now. Silver had a range of 21 cents up to 15.95. Crude oil had $1.50 range at 41.37 at the moment. Natural gas trading at 1.79. It had a range of 10 cents yesterday. Today we expect the API weekly crude oil stock. Thank you and have a successful day.